Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Grade 9, Chapter 3, Tissues in Action. Question number 1. What is the basic unit of life in multicellular organism? Answer option C, cell. Question number 2. A group of similar cells working together to perform a specific function is called a. Answer option C, tissue. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of a conducting tissue in plants? Answer option B, xylem. Question number 4. In animals, which tissue is responsible for movement? Answer option B, muscle. Question number 5. The growth in plants occurs in specific regions called. Answer option B, meristematic tissues. Question number 6. Apical meristem is responsible for the increase in plant. Answer option C, length. Question number 7. Intercalary meristem is typically found in. Answer option B, base of internodes or abonodes. Question number 8. The age of a tree can be estimated by counting its. Answer option C, annual growth rings. Question number 9. Meristematic cells lack which of the following? Answer option C, vacuoles. Question number 10. The process by which meristematic cells take on a permanent shape and function is. Answer option C, differentiation. Question number 11. Simple permanent tissues consist of. Answer option B, only one type of cell. Question number 12. The outermost productive layer of the plant is the. Answer option B, epidermis. Question number 13. The waxy layer covering the epidermis to reduce water loss is. Answer option C, cutin. Question number 14. Stomata are surrounded by specialized cells that regulate. Answer option C, gaseous exchange and transpiration. Question number 15. Which tissue stores food and provide buoyancy in aquatic plants? Answer option C, parenchyma. Question number 16. The flexibility in plants allowing stems to bend without breaking is due to. Answer option C, parenchyma. Question number 17. Sclerenchyma tissue is often found in. Answer option B, coconut husk. Question number 18. Lignin is a chemical substance associated with which tissue? Answer option C, sclerenchyma. Question number 19. Complex permanent tissues included. Answer option B, xylem and phloem. Question number 20. The only living cells in xylem are. Answer option C, xylem parenchyma. Question number 21. The main function of phloem is to transport. Answer option C, food. Question number 22. Sieve tubes are compound of. Answer option B, phloem. Question number 23. The function of companion cell is to answer option B, monitor loading or unloading of sugars. Question number 24. Which disease system forms the main body of the plant between thermal and vascular disease? Answer option B, ground. Question number 25. Cork cells are impermeable to water and gases due to answer option C, a waxy substance submarine. Question number 26. Epithelial disease found in the lining of blood vessels and lung alveoli is answer option C, simple squamous. Question number 27. Which tissue lines are the small intestine for efficient nutrient absorption? Answer option B, columnar. Question number 28. Connective tissue is a fluid matrix is answer option C, flood. Question number 29. Platelets are essential for answer option C, blood clotting. Question number 30. Bones have a rigid matrix containing answer option B, calcium and phosphorus. Questions for you. Question number 1. Which scientist demonstrated the trophic potency of carrot phloem cells in 1958? Question number 2. The rib cage product the question number 3. What percentage of an adult human's body weight is typically made up of the skeleton? Thank you.